Good Sunday morning, everybody. It's around 10:30 a.m. Let's go ahead and take another look at what's going on weather-wise around the area. Just zoomed in closely on the county to start off with the video, and you can see we've got mainly sleet falling around the county based on what the radar is indicating. 23 degrees at the Mid-Carolina Airport in Salisbury, 22 here at the Weather Center. And then just keep in mind that if you are starting to see rain outside your window, if you happen to be seeing that or you start to see it over the next couple of hours, but keep in mind that is freezing rain as the ground temperatures are below freezing. So that rain is going to melt on impact. And the reason why you might be seeing that would depend on the warm layer of air that would be above us. We started out this morning with all cold air from all below freezing air from the clouds to the ground, and we had mainly snow going on around the county, and we've already passed that part of the storm, and we've transitioned basically to this one now where there is a very shallow layer of warm air below the clouds. So snow starts to fall out of the cloud, it ends up melting on the way down, and then it hits that freezing line, which is still pretty high up on the way back to the ground, that second freezing line, and it brings it down as sleet. As we continue to go through the day and into the afternoon hours, we are expected to get an even more dense pocket of warm air in here that would cause the snow to melt on the way down and turn into rain and not have enough time to refreeze once it hits the ground level freezing line that we're at, where we're below freezing here at ground level, and would basically cause that rain to freeze on impact. So we'll continue to see that transition take place as we go through the day. And then by this evening, before the system heads out, we'll actually see it start to snow again to wrap everything up. So let's go ahead and pan out real quickly and take a look at the bigger picture. And you can see temperatures around the area, for the most part, anywhere in the mid-teens to the low 20s. And then as you start to head out toward Wadesboro and locations out toward the eastern part of the state, you see they're right around freezing. And really all it takes is 32.1 degrees and up to be above freezing. 32.0 and below, you start getting it below freezing. So just something to keep in mind. These folks are seeing all just a cold rain over in their area, while other folks in these pink shaded areas and in the red are seeing freezing rain, sleet. And then, of course, the white and the blue areas are all snow. And as we continue to pan out, you can see there is still a ton of moisture to come with this system as it continues to make its way through, looking for precipitation to continue off and on throughout the day, with most of this being sleet, freezing rain the remainder of the way here, except for the very end when we see maybe another blast of snow to come through on top of it. So remember that if you're out and about and you start to head home this afternoon or evening, if you had to go out and work or anything like that, you start to head home this afternoon or evening, the roads are going to be very slick compared to what they were when you went out this morning. So certainly keep that in mind. And then after sunset, when we get back into even colder temperatures for the overnight hours, it is going to continue to be very icy and slick out there. So keep that in mind. And we'll go ahead and wrap this up for now, and we'll be back with you later for another update, probably around 1 or 2 o'clock. We'll give you another update on where we stand. But as always, thank you for following Rowan County weather, and continue to enjoy your Sunday, everybody.